A direct form 2 realization. So previous video we discussed about direct form 1 realization, and this one is direct form 2 realization. So based on the format direct form 2 realization, you can see this is the basic equation: x of n, h1 of z, w z, x of z, wn, then h2 of z, and y of z, w of z, y of n. So this is a format of direct form 2. So direct form 1, the center is plus, and right and left is the delay part is at inverse percent, and this one is center part is z inverse, and left and right is the addition part are there. So I determine the direct form 2 realization for the following system. So this is an example. I of n find to y of n minus 1, and 0.52 y of n minus 2, and zero point 0.4 y of n minus 2, n minus 3, and plus zero point 0.8 x of n minus 0.525 x of n minus 2. So this is a value they given the machine. So we will see. So y of n up to this part we can consider as here y of n side. After this one, the x of n, so this is considered as x of n side. So taking z transform for both side. So we have to take the z transform. So point yz z inverse, then point for z inverse z minus 3 plus point 0.8 z minus 2. So z inverse started from minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then for x it started from again z and z minus 2, like that. uh, Here this is a left hand side they put it on, and this one is right hand side. So this is output side, this is input side. So the input side they put it in numerator, and output side they put put it in denominator, because we know the formula y of z is y of z divided by x of z, y of z and x of z. So this is a formula they have. They can just add it w of z. So you can take that w of z to x of z, and y of z to w of z. So y of z to w of z, that's a numerator part, and y of z is a, this is that just we add w of z, and this you will be getting. So taking inverse transform for the equation above equation, so y of n is equal to point w of z 0.525 and y n minus 2. So this is taking z transform, and w of z x of z. So that is 1 by, so numerator denominator part. So previously we took numerator part, and here we are taking denominator part. So x of z, so w of z 1 plus point z inverse 0.52 and 0.54 z minus 3. So this is the part we have. Taking inverse z transform x of n, w of n 0.2, w of n minus 1, n minus 2 up to n minus 3. So coming the equation 1 and 2 realization, we get the direct form 2. So x of n and y of n. So this is direct form 2 the format. So we know that, so this is x of n side, this is y of n side. So y of n side we have the value at 0.2, so this is a x of n side 0.2, 0.52 minus 0.45. Okay, after the delay minus 0.2, 0.52, 0.4. And similarly for y of z side, so it's a zero point 0.8 for the wz, so it is in the top. Then the 0.52 for a second delay, so z minus 1 it is 0, then 0.525 it is the value, then remaining is 0. So this is direct form 2 diagram. So similarly direct form 2 realization, so numerator and denominator. So there is a numerator and denominator, we have the formula y of z and x of z. So you have to split it, y of z divided by w of z is x of z. So after splitting, so y of z, w of z, so that is numerator part, w of z, so this is y of z, w of z, that is numerator part. Y of z is equal to, so the w will be go this side, so you got it w of z. So this is a value numerator part. Then Okay. Okay, then taking z transform for this numerator part, then you will be get it zero point 0.5 w of n minus 1, 0.638 w of n minus 2, zero point 0.8 n minus 3. So in the previous one, w of z, x of z. So here, so the uh, w, that's a denominator part. So if we take it w of z, so x of z will be go upside. So x of z is equal to, so this will be, you will be get it. So taking into inverse is a transform w of n points is w of n minus 1 point 3. So if they're taking in is a transform, you got the x of n value and you got it y of z value. So we know that part, so x of n side. So this is x of n side point. This is 1.6 for delay, point 0.3 for 2 delay, point 0.5 for 3 delay. So point 0.6 for 1 delay, point 0.2 for 0.34 minus 0.34 for 2 delay and point 0.5 for 3 delay. So similarly, point 0.6 and 0.34, point 0.5 they are put it here. 0.56, 0.638, 0.08. That is they put it in output side. So this is answer for direct form 2. So similarly, you have to see every problem like that. Similarly, same. So use a formula and take it, apply this sequence y of z to x of z, then split it, and you will be get it y of z formula. Then take the inverse z transform, and then x of n, and take it z transform, and finally you draw the direct form too. Okay, thank you.